If you're looking to pump out consistent video content without ever needing to step in front of the camera, then you have absolutely landed in the right spot. I'm about to walk you through a complete strategy for creating scroll-stopping short videos, potentially every single day, with almost zero manual editing involved. Forget about setting up weird green screens, spending grueling hours inside professional editing suites, or juggling 5 different apps just to push out one simple post. The core secret here is leveraging an intelligent AI system to find the absolute best moments buried deep within your long videos and instantly turn them into ready-to-post clips. Think of this as effortlessly transforming one single long recording session into an entire month's worth of high-impact, snackable content. Here's the quick promise of this workflow. You can take any substantial piece of video content you already have, like a podcast or a webinar, and the AI handles the rest. It will autonomously pick out the most shareable little bites, build out perfectly captioned short clips, automatically add accurate subtitles, and even suggest appropriate captions and relevant hashtags. Crucially, it then gets everything scheduled to publish automatically across your chosen social platforms, saving you immense time. You genuinely do not need to consider yourself a tech wizard to implement this. If you can upload a file and click a few buttons, you are good to go. This allows you to maintain a steady, reliable stream of new content going out, while you're free to concentrate on recording your next big long-form video. Now, I'll be completely honest, many creators are currently obsessed with the AI avatar workflows we see popping up lately. And yes, those tools are genuinely impressive for certain things. Tools like HeyGen are phenomenal if you specifically want an AI persona, delivering your exact spoken lines in that traditional talking head format. However, avatars represent a different content strategy entirely. They are best when you absolutely do not want your own face or voice anywhere near the final product. The trade-off is that avatar content can sometimes feel a little bit staged or overly produced, and they don't solve the main problem of getting bite-sized clips from your long content. Furthermore, those avatar tools don't magically make your existing long-form recordings smaller or automatically optimize them for viral short-form platforms. Then you have the general automation giants like Make or Zapier, which are incredible at connecting different software systems together, admittedly. But those automation recipes can become quite fiddly and confusing to build, often demanding you manage obscure API keys and juggle multiple subscription costs. Suddenly, what started as a simple idea now involves a fragile workflow spanning 3 or 4 completely separate platforms. This is precisely where a tool focused specifically on clip generation, like Vizard, truly steps up and shines in its functionality. It isn't trying to substitute your real footage with some synthetic digital person. Rather, it ingeniously works with what you already recorded, extracting maximum value from those moments. I personally love 3 core elements about this specific approach. First, the automated viral clip detection engine. Second, the fully integrated, built-in scheduling capability that doesn't require a separate app. And third, a content calendar that brings real organization to the chaos. But hey, I don't want to sound like a walking billboard, so let me show you exactly how this mechanism operates and why it diverges from stitching together 5 other services. So step 1 is simply taking your massive long video, maybe it's an hour-long webinar or a 40-minute podcast recording, and uploading that master file. Once uploaded, the sophisticated AI immediately begins analyzing the entire recording, actively searching for those specific moments most likely to go viral on the short-form platforms. It targets things like high-energy vocal statements, perfectly timed punchlines, incredibly strong takeaways, or any part with clear, defined vocal emphasis. Cool. You completely bypass the need to manually mark specific timestamps or try to guess which segment might actually perform well later on. The AI takes on the heavy lifting by surfacing dozens of these candidate clips it genuinely believes will capture immediate audience attention. Step 2 is reviewing the AI's work, where you get presented with those automatically selected clips already organized for you. Vizard then provides a score for each clip, ranking them based on its prediction of potential viewability and virality metrics. You can instantly preview every single suggested highlight, which is the true moment this whole process becomes a game changer for your production pipeline. It feels like instantly having a dedicated editing team whose sole focus is maximizing virality, not obsessing over minute perfectionist cuts. Step 3 moves into a quick, light human polish, because the AI truly handles 80 to 90% of the entire workload right out of the gate. From this point, you can make those last tiny, crucial adjustments, like trimming a single second off the beginning or maybe swapping out the initial thumbnail image. You can also tweak the captions or critically adjust the crop framing for the specific platform you are targeting right now. That platform-specific framing is massive, since Reels, Shorts, and TikTok all favor slightly different visual cadences and compositions. The system makes it completely painless to export platform-optimized versions without needing to rebuild the entire short clip from scratch each time. Step 4 focuses on the essential text assets, generating your accompanying captions, hashtags, and the video title text. You can approve the AI's auto-generated captions and descriptive text, or you can feed it a specific prompt to get several creative caption variations back. This is fundamentally the same as asking a talented social media manager for 5 different hooks, but this entire process occurs for you in mere seconds. If you enjoy iterative testing, you can quickly create several caption variations and let the system help queue up which ones to schedule for your audience testing. Finally, Step 5 brings everything together with auto-scheduling and the centralized content calendar feature. You decide on a sustainable posting frequency, maybe once daily or perhaps just 3 times every week, and the AI will preload those clips into your queue. The calendar view itself is refreshingly straightforward. You can visualize all the forthcoming posts, easily swap clips around, or temporarily pause any publishing campaign. If you've ever managed content using a combination of a fragile spreadsheet and a totally separate third-party scheduler, this consolidates everything into one reliable place. It completely eliminates the constant tedious juggling act of exporting from the editor and then manually importing into the scheduler tool. An optional but incredibly powerful feature is direct cross-posting to all your major channels like TikTok, Reels, Shorts, and even professional networks like LinkedIn. You can allow the tool to publish directly if you connect your accounts, or you can export the perfectly packaged files to send to a dedicated mirroring service. While services like repurpose.io are great for that mirroring action, they introduce another layer of cost and another service you have to constantly maintain. By contrast, Vizard's native scheduling and calendar severely reduce the need for those extra subscription hoops and keep your entire operation centralized. Now, let's be genuinely realistic about the cobbled-together alternatives so you can make a truly informed decision about your setup. If you tried to build a stack using make.com, HeyGen for avatars, and repurpose.io for publishing, you could achieve a similar result, technically speaking. Make automates the flow logic, HeyGen generates the synthetic presenter if you want that look, and repurpose handles the multi-platform mirror posting. But that multi-tool route is decidedly more technical. You are now responsible for managing various integration keys, understanding complex blueprints, and handling separate billing statements. It offers flexibility, yes, but it's inherently fragile, as one small hiccup in one connector can cascade and completely break the entire automated chain. Also, remember that avatar tools like HeyGen are optimized for selling a person, not for automatically selecting the most engaging highlights from your actual recorded speeches. So, if your primary content strategy centers on repurposing great long-form videos into clips that actually resonate, this clip-first approach is significantly faster and simpler overall. When we talk about the financial aspect, hiring dedicated editors or managing a tower of multiple monthly software subscriptions really starts to pile up fast. This tool bundles the essential workflows: clip selection, formatting for shorts, captioning, scheduling, and the calendar, so you don't need a dozen specialized services. Simply put, the time you save is immediately converted into money saved, giving you back hours every week. Instead of pouring energy into the tedious process of finding highlights and making minute edits, you can redirect that energy into recording even better long-form content. That creates a powerful multiplier effect. One excellent interview or a single great podcast episode now generates a constant, reliable stream of short posts for you. Let's get into some practical tips for achieving the absolute best possible results from this entire content generation process. First and foremost, you must focus on recording exceptionally clean audio. The AI relies heavily on vocal clarity to accurately pinpoint those punchy moments. A good quality mic and minimizing any annoying background noise will genuinely make a noticeable positive difference in clip quality. Next, make a conscious effort to keep your energy levels high throughout the entire long recording session. The AI system is specifically programmed to gravitate toward peaks, strong assertions, emotional shifts, or any surprising factual revelations. Those emotionally charged segments are precisely the moments that stand the best chance of transforming into highly viral short clips. Use the content calendar actively. Don't just let the AI queue everything up and then immediately forget about it for the next month. Take a quick moment to check in, maybe adjust a thumbnail to match a current trending topic, or refine a caption to be more timely. Always dedicate time to test variations. Post the exact same clip, but with 2 entirely different captions or thumbnail options, and monitor which one performs better. The ultimate goal is constant, intelligent iteration. The AI finds the best raw material, and you validate which messaging truly connects. Let's consider the typical time investment here, because this is where the real ROI becomes obvious. You upload a standard 60 to 90-minute podcast episode and let the system analyze that deep file, which only takes a few minutes to maybe a bit longer. Next, you quickly review the 20 to 40 suggested clips, making those final quick edits to maybe 5 or 10 of them. Then you choose your desired posting cadence and simply press the button to schedule everything across the next few weeks. In under an hour, you can have weeks of your content distribution fully mapped out and locked in, which is honestly phenomenal. Compare that reality to the manual editing process, where you can easily spend multiple hours just cutting down a single, simple short clip. We do need to cover a couple of honest caveats about using any form of automated content detection technology, because it's powerful but not quite infallible. Occasionally, the AI might miss a very subtle nuance that you, as the creator, absolutely loved in the original take. It might even trim out a natural human breath that you personally would have preferred to keep for pacing in the final clip. If this happens, please don't panic. It's a very quick fix. A simple scroll through the suggestions and a 2-click restore function solves almost every single one of those minor edge cases. Furthermore, if your specific brand identity requires extremely precise custom motion graphics or highly specialized visual effects, you will still need a human editor for those flagship productions. But for the vast majority of your regular, high-volume, consistent content needs, this AI system handles over 90% of the entire workload. This frees you up to act purely as the final creative overseer, making the high-level directional choices instead of the tedious mechanical ones. So what is the final, tangible result of adopting this new method? You effectively transform that one long recording session into a truly repeatable, sustainable content engine that runs on autopilot. Instead of constantly scrambling to write new, fresh short scripts every single day from scratch, you are publishing clips that are naturally derived from your core content. These derived clips often perform even better because they are genuine, authentic moments captured live, not just recycled or slightly tweaked one-liners. Your established audience gets far more frequent touchpoints with your expertise, and you achieve better overall reach without sacrificing your entire weekly schedule. If you are curious to see this in action right now, the fastest way to test it is truly simple. Go grab any long video file you already possess, upload it, let the AI work its magic to generate those clips, and then select a few that you genuinely like. Schedule those chosen clips to roll out across your social feeds automatically over the upcoming 7 days. Then, simply observe the resulting engagement metrics, the views, the saves, and especially the shares, to see the extra mileage you gain from existing material. Alright, that concludes the comprehensive walkthrough of this powerful content repurposing workflow. If you would like a complete step-by-step tutorial, specifically on using the integrated calendar and the advanced scheduling features, let me know and I can certainly prepare that next. That tutorial would also cover exactly how to conduct A/B testing for your captions and thumbnails right inside the platform's environment. Seriously, once you become comfortable with this clip-first content philosophy, your entire production process becomes substantially less stressful and much more consistent. There is absolutely no longer a need to fake being on camera all the time. You just need to be strategic about the long-form recordings you're already making. Let the smart AI system handle the heavy mechanical lifting, freeing your time for higher-level creative tasks. If this concept resonates with your content goals, I challenge you to immediately pick one long video and start testing the clip generation process. Watch the resulting engagement numbers closely, and you will quickly realize how much more valuable juice you can squeeze from your existing recordings. If you're ready to dive deeper, I can take one of your own long videos right now, run it through this entire system live, and we can build out a full week of posts together. How does that sound? Are you ready to move forward and scale your content output effortlessly? Cool. Let's get this content engine running for you right now and start maximizing the life of every recording you make. Keep your core content authentic, keep it real, and simply let this powerful system handle the necessary heavy lifting for consistent growth. Go find that existing long video, upload it, let the AI select the clips, and you could genuinely have multiple short posts ready for publishing within the next 60 minutes. Remember to stay casual in your delivery. Always keep your unique perspective authentic, and let this intelligent automation serve as your most powerful scaling tool.